Hello, I'm Olga from RubyMine, and in this video I'll explain how you can work with tests in our IDE. Here we have a demo Rails project with both RSpec and Minitest tests. RubyMine also supports Cucumber, but we won't be using it today. First of all, let's see how navigation works. Here we see a user model. Now let's navigate to the corresponding test. This can be done by going to the context menu, here, or just by using the shortcut. Since we have both Minitest and RSpec available, RubyMine offers us a choice. It also gives us the option to create a new test or invoke Rails generate. Now let's navigate to the corresponding RSpec file. By the way, you can also use the same shortcut to navigate from a test to the test subject, like that. Now, if we want to run our tests, we have several options. Run it from the project view, either by selecting the whole folder or by running a specific file. You can do it via the context menu or using the corresponding shortcut, Ctrl-Shift-R. And you can also invoke tests from the editor using the gutter, or using the same shortcut Ctrl-Shift-R if your cursor is already on the test. Apart from that, you can also modify the run configuration that is created in line with your needs. First, we need to open the RSpec run configuration as follows. And here you can choose to run multiple specs, define the preload server, or even add arguments if necessary. It's also possible to configure a template for run configurations so that when you run your tests, they are created with some options already pre-configured. And what if we have a failed test? Let's make it. Now rerun our tests. And in the run panel, we can see the failed test highlighted in red. You can navigate from it to the source using the command down arrow shortcut, and then you can rerun only the failed tests. You will also notice that the gutter for this failed test will be marked with an exclamation mark. You can debug your tests to investigate what's going on. First, let's put a breakpoint to our file denoting where we want the debugger to stop. And now we can start debugging. Once the debugger has stopped, we can see the available frames and variables. If you want to check the value of a specific variable, you can use evaluate expression or interactive console. You may notice that both of them have code completion. To stop the debugger session, just click on the corresponding button. We hope this video was useful for you. Please share any opinions and questions you may have.